I'm putting Bartacks on the back pockets. Using my zigzag machine. Always be careful when doing your Bartacks because there are so many layers of fabrics to deal with. You might either bend your needle or break it. So here it is. You just have to do the other pocket at the back. Then these are the Bartacks that I'm gonna do on the fly, zipper fly. Here I'm including the extension underneath, the fly extension underneath. This part of the jeans, the bottom of the fly, zipper fly, is the one of the hardest parts to Bartack because it's so thick. Because there are so many layers of fabric already there. That's good. Yeah, not half as bad.